Hey there, and welcome back to Product Critique,
your go-to channel for unbiased and in-depth reviews.
Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen appliances with the Vonshef Cream Fika 5L air fryer. Let's see if this sleek and stylish air fryer lives up to the hype. First things first, let's talk about the design.
This air fryer is not just another kitchen gadget, it's a statement piece. With its Scandinavian-inspired aesthetics and creamy white exterior, it adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. The accent of lighter wood on the handle adds a nice contrast and gives it a modern look that's sure to impress. But it's not just about looks. This air fryer means business when it comes to performance. With a decent 5-liter capacity, it's perfect for smaller families or couples who love to cook up a storm. Whether you're frying up some crispy chips or baking a delicious cake, this air fryer has got you covered.
Now, let's talk about functionality.
The Vonshef Cream Fika 5L air fryer keeps things simple yet effective. It boasts a large control panel with 10 preset cooking times, ranging from chips to drumsticks to even cakes.
And with the preheat setting, you can get cooking in no time.
But how does it perform in real-life cooking scenarios? Well, I put it to the test, cooking everything from onion rings to meatballs.
And I have to say, I was pleasantly surprised.
The cooking was reasonably even, and the results were delicious. However, I did notice some inconsistencies in cooking times, so keep that in mind.
Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, we have the sleek design, easy operation, and decent cooking performance.
However, there were some issues with inconsistent cooking and grease buildup, which could be a downside for some users.
So, should you buy the Vonshef Cream Fika 5L air fryer? If you're looking for a stylish and affordable air fryer that gets the job done, then absolutely.
It may have its quirks, but overall, it's a solid performer that won't break the bank. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unbiased product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!